for left turn out. Actually, climb runway heading
Officer
initially,
Clyde, we got
please.
flaps, fuel pump is on,
Alpha clear takeoff.
mixture full rich. Heading is the compass, door window locked. Flight Scott with transponder altitude. Time being noted. 45.
Left flight 3 medevac, landing tower after departure, left turn out. And takeoff to your discretion, northwestbound local golf. No further eastbound golf users if you can on the first one.
And airspeed's alive. London Tower, Piper Cherokee, Golf Hotel, Bravo Echo with Quebec just took off to the north from Purple Hill.
Cherokee, Bravo, Hotel Echo, London check.
Yes, Hotel Bravo Echo just took off from Purple Hill to the north, looking to make a left turn and hit through your zone back to St. Thomas if possible.
Hotel Bravo Echo, squawk a code of 1240.
1240, Hotel Bravo Echo.
Delta Foxtrot, Juliet Tower identified at 1,500 feet off your 10 o'clock position and 1 mile to the northwestbound Augusta helicopter. Do you have them in sight?
Traffic inside, Golf Delta Foxtrot Juliet.
Delta Foxtrot, Juliet, roger, reference that traffic to left turn southwestbound is with me.
Left turn out approved, Golf Delta Foxtrot Juliet.
Next flight, CM medevac tower, turn on the transponder, please.
Transferred as well.
Next flight, CM medevac identified now at 1,600 feet.
Affirmed, fuel, Flight 3 medevac.
Hotel Bravo Echo, you identified north from Purple Hill at 2,100 feet. You're cleared to line control zone. Report overhead or beam the airport onwards.
Yeah, we'll report overhead the airport, Hotel Bravo Echo.